Guess I should have thrown the GoPro in. It's just nuts out here on Woodward. Chuck's car, 91. That's where I'm sitting. I'm gonna pull the Bel Air up a little bit because this guy's going out. I think that's a 93. Yeah. It's nuts out here. All right, let me get this thing. There we go. Usually there's some motorcycles out here popping wheelies, and I'm looking forward to that. Somebody just got pulled over up there in a Mustang. Look at this stuff. I'm filming with my phone and I'm not good with it because don't use it a lot. Yeah, it's nuts out here. This is the first weekend in June, the 6th of June. This thing videos at night, but we'll find out. A lot of cars have pulled in here since I've pulled in. I'm going to walk around and gander at them. The generations have changed. You don't see too many of the old cars like mine. They're dying breed. They're all a younger generation with a new type of classic car. Does that have a V8 in it? Sounded pretty healthy coming in. Look at this thing. I think this thing has a 6-cylinder maybe. $2,500cc. That's nuts. But yeah, this is kind of what you see out a lot now that younger guys drive. I'm one of the old great grandpas out here with my '59 Chevy. There's a few old cars out, but not like it used to be Finns and old cars everywhere. like I say, a lot of my friends have passed away, so. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's nuts out here on Woodward tonight. I was hoping I'd get a motorcycle doing a wheelie. I mean, they do them for long ways. Oh, the police left. Maybe we'll see one. If I see one, I'll get a video of it. You get brakes when you get a gap from like that light will be red and then you get a gap. There's always cars in the other direction. And you can see people everywhere standing around and talking and enjoying themselves. Got a chute on that. I want to go for a ride in it. If it has that kind of power, it'll sink in the seat. That would be fun.
I hate summer. Well, dude, it's because you're 300 pounds.
Oh, there we go. Oh, he was doing a good wheelie and I missed it. See a lot of vintage motorcycles out here too. Oh, here he is. Here he is. Got it. Good deal. I love it. Somebody's getting a ticket up there. See some more wheelies. Well, here comes a group of cars from the light. Let's see if there's any cars. Classics here. Just throttling on their engine, that's not too good for it. Yeah, the light sun in the camera isn't that. I guess there isn't a lot of cruisers right here where there was. It's hard to get them with the headlights. Yeah, there's no point in looking into the headlights. All you get is glare. All right, Chuck's heading off. People are starting to clear out. It's almost 10 o'clock. It's starting to get crazy out here, so I'm going to head off. Chuck's heading off. I think I'm going to too. It just, once it starts getting dark, it gets nuts. I don't want any further. I think we'll hit the Bel Air, get in the Bel Air and hit the road. I don't know how this phone records at night, but anyway, that was a fun night of cruising. I was out with the hippie bike earlier in the evening. Actually, I had the XL250 out for a little run, and then I came back and got the hippie bike, and then that's when I saw Chuck out with his car. And then I came home, had dinner, and then went back out with this, and hung out with them after I got back. But anyway, that's it. I'm done with the video. Sorry about the oncoming headlights. I'll try not to blind you too much. Anyway, that's it for the video. Well, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up icon, it helps. That 348 engine icon that powers this old pig will help you subscribe. And thank you for watching my video. I guess I could call this thing like the Titanic. It's a big old boat compared to what most vehicles are nowadays. But it's a fun old car to drive, I have to say that. Alright, that's it. Thank you again for watching.